Welcome to Crypto Sage, make money out of crypto. Here are ways to earn with crypto in 2021. Number 1. Buy and hold, hold on for dear life, is a phrase used in the cryptocurrency community for purchasing the cryptocurrency and holding it with the hope that the coin will one day sell at a higher price. Holding is one of the easiest and fast ways to make money with cryptocurrency. Here you just learn how to buy and wait with patience before selling. In 2017, Bitcoin prices grew from $974 to $20,000 in less than a year. In other words, anyone who bought Bitcoin in January 2017 and sold it in December the same year grew his money by a whopping 2,000% in just 1 year. 1 week in July 2010 saw Bitcoin grow from $0.008 to 8 cents in 5 days. This was a 1,000% growth in a record 5 days. Number 2. Cryptocurrency dividends. This is another easy and great way to make money in the crypto world. In buy and hold, you only make money when you sell your coin at a higher price than you bought it. Some cryptocurrencies, however, have a good way of rewarding traders crypto dividends. With coins like Neo, Neblio, KuCoin, Ceph, etc., traders make money by simply holding the coin in your account. This way you don't need to purchase or own cryptocurrency, you get paid for simply holding and keeping the currency in circulation. Neblio, for example, which is seen as a competitor of Ethereum and Neo, gives an annual return of 10% on the total holdings. Dividends are earned on holding the Nebl token on Neblio Qt and/or a Raspberry Pi. Number 3. Cryptocurrency staking. Staking is the process of holding coins in a live cryptocurrency wallet. It combines the earning potential of buy and hold and those of cryptocurrency dividends. In staking, you buy a currency and hold it while waiting to sell it in the future at a better price. The cryptocurrency then pays you dividends for the period you hold the currency in a form well known as double profit. Cryptos that use this system pays you for securing their crypto network. These cryptocurrencies include PIVX, Navcoin, and Decreed. This is the smartest way to make money in cryptocurrency with fewer efforts. Number 4. Cryptocurrency masternode. Cryptocurrency is built on blockchain technology. In other words, cryptocurrency is a digital ledger where transactions are recorded in real time and chronologically then put public for verification. These operations need a masternode. A masternode is a computer that makes the ledger available and up to date in real time. A masternode acts like a server that can be hosted on any computer, including yours. Hosting a masternode, however, has some requirements. For many cryptocurrencies, you are required to have a certain number of coins in your account. This number ranges from 1,000 to 2,500, depending on the cryptocurrency you invest in. In this case, you get paid to maintain a real-time record of the transactions on the cryptocurrency network. This process requires some technical skills, hence good for advanced users. Masternode is considered the consensus method for proof-of-stake currencies. For example, Dash requires 1,000 coins to create a node with approximately 7% annual ROI. Number 5. Owning a faucet. While participating as a faucet user might not earn you a lot of money, owning your own faucet is a whole different story. Today, you can build a cryptocurrency faucet relatively easily and earn money from selling ads on your site. I ran my own faucet for almost 1 year until I decided to focus on other things. Depending on the advertisers you're using and the amount of traffic you have, you can make up to $400 a month running a faucet. However, running a faucet requires a reasonable amount of time and effort. You'll need to set up your own website, manage users, prevent fraud, and also bring some initial capital to fund the faucet when starting out.